it's me, Defa.
And Lucy.
And today, as you can see, our room is changed. Because Pearl wanted her own room, and we wanted our own room. So, Pearl said that you can change this guest room into our room. So that's what we did.
And we didn't show you in our house tour.
Yeah. So, we're going to give you a tour here. And I also invited Chloe for a sleepover.
Oh.
I just took off my necklace there because it was kind of...
Look what I made.
Oh, what is that? Is that a candy flower?
Yep.
And by the way, we ran out of groceries, so we have nothing to eat in our
Really?
sleepover.
Ta-da!
Yeah, that's kind of okay, but maybe we need some fast foods.
Ouch.
Maybe I can call the new shops, Pizzalo and Trolley, to order some food.
Hey,
What do you think?
Sandwich on your desk. Oh,
Yeah, that's
that would be awesome.
Okay,
Do that.
I'll call them. Hello, Pizzalo's Pizza. Yeah, I would like to order a large pizza and also a burger. Yeah, that's all. Okay. Bye. Okay, so I just ordered some pizza and burger, and let's give you guys a room tour. So this is my bed, the shelving unit over there for some storage. Lucy's bed. This is our closet over here. And then over here we have a little desk because we need to do our homework and of course some makeup. And that's my new purse. And this is, hey, oh yeah, it's Lucy's panda folder. And here's Cleo.
Hey, what's mine?
Here's your panda folder where you do your drawings. And here's Cleo. Cleo, what you doing? You're having fun? I think that's a yes. So we're waiting here for Chloe, and once she will arrive, we will tell you guys. So the pizza and burger just arrived. We have this mini burger over here, and the pizza, and they smell so good. Chloe's on her way, and she'll be here later. So, and we're gonna have a lot of fun in the sleepover. And if you guys want to see how we spend our sleepover, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell, and also share our videos. And if you want to see a part 2, of course, smash that like button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
That tingy bell.
Yep, can't forget that. Bye.